f dash x. F dash x is equal to 6x square minus 30x plus 36. We take 6 common, x square minus 5x plus 6. This will give you 6 into x minus 3, x minus 2 is equal to f dash x. It means we are getting a horizontal tangent at f dash x equal to 0, at x equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Now what is f of 1? First we calculate f of 1. F of 1 will give you 2 minus 15 plus 36 plus 1. So this will give you the value f of 1. Similarly, we calculate f of 2, we calculate f of 3, and then we calculate f of 5. Let us observe what happens. This is 2 minus 15 plus 36 plus 1 will give you 24. This is equal to 24. F of 2 means 2 to 8, 8 to 16 minus 60 plus 72 plus 1. So this will give you 16 minus 60 plus 72 plus 1 will give you 29. 1 minute. Once again, x equal to 2. If you put 2 cube is 8, 8 to 16, 2 to the 4 means minus 60, 36 into 2 is 72 plus 1. So this becomes 16 minus 60 plus 72 plus 1 will give you 29. F of 3. So f of 3 means 3 is 9, 27. 27 into 2 is equal to 54 minus 9. 9 into 15 will give you minus 135 plus 36 into 3 will give you 108. 108 plus 1. So this will give you 54 minus 135 plus 108 plus 1 equal to 28. This is equal to 28, we get it. Okay, very close to it. F of 5. F of 5 will be a big value. 5 plus 25. 25 into 5. 25 into 5, 125. 125 into 2 is 250. Minus 25 into 15 will give you minus 375 plus 36 into 5 will give you 180 plus 1. So this will give you 250 minus 375 plus 180 plus 1 equal to 56. What we observe? So this is minimum and this is maximum. So we are getting minimum and maximum at the endpoints. This is global. This is GOBL, global minimum, or you can say absolute minimum, absolute minima. This is again absolute maxima. I'll give you an idea by drawing the graph. Now if you see the graph of it, see, this is the value, this is 2, and this horizontal tangent is equal to 3. So 1 will be somewhere here, and this is 1, and this is equal to somewhere will be 5. Okay, I'll expand it. You can see there are 2 horizontal tangents you get. This is one horizontal tangent, this is another horizontal tangent. What are those points? We have observed also. F of 2 is equal to 29, f of 3 is equal to 28. This is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 29, f of 3 equal to 28. You can observe it, and f of 5 comes out to be, f of 5 was 56. And f of 1 was 24. So clearly these 2 points are called local. This is local maxima, and this will be local minima. Okay, so fx is equal to 2 is point of local maxima, x equal to 3 is point of local minima. So absolute maxima and absolute minima is f5, absolute minima is f1.